Timber houses information. Timber houses, also known as wooden houses or log cabins, are structures made primarily from wood. Timber houses have been popular for centuries, and they remain a popular choice today for a variety of reasons. Here are some key things to know about timber houses. Construction. Timber houses can be constructed using a variety of techniques, including traditional log building, post and beam construction, and modern timber framing. The type of construction used will depend on the design and intended use of the house. Advantages. Timber houses are known for their durability, energy efficiency, and natural beauty. Wood is a renewable resource, making it an environmentally friendly choice, and it can also provide good insulation, helping to reduce energy costs. Additionally, timber houses can be customized to suit a wide range of styles and budgets. Maintenance. Like any home, timber houses require regular maintenance to ensure they remain in good condition. This may include regular cleaning and staining or sealing of the wood to prevent damage from moisture and insects. However, with proper care, a timber house can last for many years. Design. Timber houses can be designed to suit a variety of architectural styles, from rustic cabins to modern, minimalist homes. The use of wood in the construction of a home can also create a warm and inviting interior, and many people appreciate the natural beauty of the wood itself. Cost. The cost of a timber house will depend on a variety of factors, including the size, design, and construction method used. However, in general, timber houses tend to be more expensive than traditional stick-built homes. This is due in part to the cost of the wood itself, as well as the specialized skills and equipment required to build a timber house. Overall, timber houses offer a unique combination of natural beauty, durability, and energy efficiency. Whether you are looking for a cozy cabin in the woods or a modern home with a rustic feel, a timber house